How to make Instagram account private. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and it will of course lead you to your home page. Now here on your home page, on the bottom part, you will see 5 different icons there. Of course, your home icon, search icon, your plus icon, reels icon, and then your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon there. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines there. Tap on the 3 dash lines there and tap on settings. Now under settings, you will see a lot of options there. What you want to do is to tap on privacy. It's actually the fourth option there. It's under creator and above supervision. Tap on privacy, and then here you will see the account privacy section and the interaction section. So I want you to focus on account privacy section there, and then you'll see private account. Here you will see account privacy. If you toggle that on, then you will now switch your account to private, and basically that is how you make your Instagram account private. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.